What's up guys, I hope you're all doing extremely well. Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your website faster. So this video will only apply to websites that have images and it is extremely important to make your website load fast. Why? Because if you're selling products, or even if it's your portfolio or just normal website, we're in 2018 right now. And in 2018, we don't like to wait for stuff. We're not very patient. So if you're selling, let's say, a product and your website takes like too much time to load, maybe your audience will be tired of waiting and they will go into another website to buy a product that is similar to yours. Or even if it's your portfolio, if people have to wait too much time, they won't see all your pictures and they will just quit the website. So it is very important to make your website load faster, and in this video I'm going to show you one trick to make it faster. So pictures, they take a lot of space, and to make your website load faster, the first thing to do is to make your pictures not take a lot of space. So here I have my website right now. My website, some of my pictures are already changed, so it loads faster, but there's still quite a lot of pictures that are in full quality. So we're gonna do two tests. The first test is gonna be to just go to my website, scroll down and click on the pictures, see them all, and we're gonna put a timer to see when some of the pictures are in the best quality possible, how much time it takes for my website to load. So let's do it. The first thing I'm gonna do is open a new tab, and then I'm gonna click on Control-Shift-Delete. So it's gonna go to this panel if you're in Chrome, and what we're gonna do, we're just gonna delete the browsing data and everything, more specifically the cached image and files. By doing that, it will have to load everything as if it was the first time that I went to my website. So I'm gonna go to my website, click on enter, and when I'm gonna click on enter, the timer will start and I will do what I said. So enter. That's it. Okay, so now that we're done with the speed test, we're gonna do the changes to my website. I will show you so you have a proof. I'm gonna go to FileZilla, and I already made the changes. I'm gonna show you how to make the changes after doing the same test, but with the pictures that are not the same size. So I'm gonna go into public HTML, images, fulls here, and I'm gonna just take all my 72 dpi pictures, drop them into my website, and I'm gonna replace the pictures that have the same name by these pictures. Overwrite. Always use apply to overwrite. Okay, so now it is just overwriting the pictures that had full quality with pictures that have less quality, and I'm gonna explain to you why you don't need the full quality. Maybe sometimes you need it, but I'm gonna explain it to you why most of the time you don't need it. Okay, so now that the pictures are there, I'm gonna open a new tab. I'm gonna close the old one. I'm gonna do Control-Shift-Delete, and I'm gonna clear the cache another time. So all time clear data. I'm gonna go to my website, and when I'm gonna press on enter, the timer will start. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay guys, so you saw that it was way faster than my website when it had the full quality pictures. So I'm gonna explain to you why it is better to make your pictures 72 dpi. A good camera will have maybe like 300 dpi, and with 300 dpi it is great to keep that setting when you're gonna print your pictures, because more dpis that you have, well, it means that you'll have more details in your prints. However, it's not the same thing for websites. For websites, it just considers the pixels, and we're gonna say it, most of the people that are gonna go to your website will have small screens. Maybe sometimes you'll have persons with very big screens that will go to your website, and if you're extremely serious with the pictures that you have in your website, I don't know, maybe you are a very well-known photographer and big companies want to look at your pictures, maybe you will want to keep the highest quality. But for most of the persons out there, you will want maybe 72 dpi or 96. It just depends on you. However, I recommend you to make your pictures 72 dpi. 72 dpi will make your picture take less space. It will not be as huge as it is normally, and here I'm gonna show it to you. So I don't know, a big picture, let's say, okay, maybe this one. So this picture, is I go in properties and I go to details, it has 300 dpi and it is 17 megabytes. If I go in the 72 dpi version, the same picture, well, I changed it for 72 dpi. Obviously the dimensions it changed. However, for the web, as you can see, well, I don't think you saw any difference in the YouTube video. I also didn't saw any difference. Where you will be able to see a lot of difference if you can zoom in the pictures, and you zoom, well, you will have less details, but in my case, people won't be able to zoom in my pictures. They will always have a size appropriate for the screen size. So in this case, we have 1.44 megabytes. What does it mean? It means that the other picture is, I don't know, maybe like 8 or 9, about 9 times bigger. So it means that it will take 9 times more time to load the picture, because each time that you click on the picture from your browser, well, you're just downloading some data. So if the pictures that you have are not big in size, well, it will be very fast to load the pictures, and that will make your website fast. Now I'm gonna show you how to make your pictures 72 dpi using Photoshop. So with Photoshop, all you have to do is take your picture, drop it in Photoshop, and press on the Ctrl-Alt-I. And here, as you can see, you have resolution. So here I'm gonna put 72 dpi. Obviously, I'm gonna make the picture smaller. However, it will still look good if we don't zoom a lot. And for websites, you really have to think about, do I need quality or speed? Most of the time you just need speed. Well, people, it's very rare that they will start zooming in the pictures. Maybe if it is this couple here, maybe they will take more time to zoom into the pictures. But for normal people that are gonna go to the website, they will see the overall picture, and it is more important to have a fast website than a website that has all the pictures in the highest quality. So after making this change, you're gonna go to File, Save As, and you're gonna save them whatever you want. So for me, it's gonna go there. I'm gonna replace it, okay, and that's it. And then what you're gonna do is just take the picture that is now 72 dpi and put it into your website, and replace the original picture with the picture that is 72 dpi. So that's it for this video tutorial. I hope I helped you. I hope it will make your website load faster, because it is extremely important, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.